The demand for mechanical keyboards has grown rapidly thanks to their tactile responsiveness, durability, and customizable layouts. Gamers and typists alike appreciate the precision and comfort they provide. In this guide, we evaluate products based on switch type.
List number 1. The Motrack Cow zoomable LED track lighting heads are designed for those seeking flexibility and elegance in lighting solutions. With a zoomable beam angle ranging from narrow spotlight to wide floodlight, these track heads adapt to multiple scenarios, whether highlighting artwork, retail products, or creating ambient home lighting. Each fixture is built with energy-efficient LED technology, reducing electricity consumption while providing bright, clear illumination. The heads are compatible with standard H-type track systems, making them versatile and easy to install in both residential and commercial setups. Durability is another strong point, as these lights feature sturdy aluminum housing that enhances heat dissipation, prolonging lifespan. Their adjustable design allows you to direct light exactly where it's needed, making them highly functional for galleries, showrooms, and modern living spaces.
List number 2. For large spaces requiring extensive coverage, the Vanupi 12-light LED track lighting kit provides both power and versatility. The kit includes 12 adjustable LED heads along with a 13-foot H-type track rail, ensuring wide, uniform illumination for living rooms, studios, or commercial setups. Each head produces bright, efficient lighting with low energy consumption, offering a modern alternative to traditional halogen track lights. The adjustable design lets you pivot and rotate each head, giving you full control over where the light is directed. Installation is straightforward with the included H-type rail, which ensures compatibility with most track lighting accessories. The durable metal construction guarantees longevity, while maintaining a sleek, modern look that complements contemporary interiors. What sets this kit apart is its ability to cover large areas efficiently, making it ideal for open-plan homes, showrooms, or art studios. It combines practicality with modern aesthetics, delivering bright, consistent illumination without sacrificing energy efficiency.
List number 3. The Vanupi 3-color zoomable 6-light kit is perfect for users who want both customization and style. With 3 selectable color temperatures, warm, neutral, and cool white, it adapts easily to different moods and settings, whether cozy home gatherings or professional office environments. The zoomable design allows each light head to shift between spot and flood modes, providing versatility in illumination. Whether highlighting wall art or casting wide light across a workspace, the kit offers complete control. Its 6 adjustable LED track heads ensure directional flexibility, allowing you to illuminate specific zones effectively. Built with durable aluminum, the lights offer efficient heat dissipation, which extends their lifespan and ensures reliable performance. Installation is user-friendly, with compatibility for H-type track systems, making it a convenient option for both homeowners and small businesses.
List number 4. The Unikosen LED 8-light track lighting kit combines elegance with powerful illumination, making it a popular choice for large rooms or commercial settings. Featuring 8 adjustable track heads, this kit allows precise light direction to highlight decor, artworks, or specific living areas. The lights are crafted with a sleek matte finish, adding a modern aesthetic to any space. Each head swivels and rotates, offering flexibility for spotlighting or ambient lighting. With built-in LED bulbs, the kit is energy efficient while delivering bright, long-lasting illumination. The durable metal construction ensures stability and reliability, while the simple installation process makes it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. Compared to traditional halogen systems, these LEDs produce less heat and consume significantly less energy, reducing utility costs. A key strength is its ability to cover larger spaces without overwhelming the design, striking the right balance between brightness and style.
List number 5. Compact yet powerful, the Unikosen LED 4-light track lighting kit is ideal for smaller spaces like kitchens, bedrooms, or offices. With 4 adjustable LED track heads,
It provides targeted illumination while maintaining a minimalist profile. Each head rotates and pivots, allowing you to adjust lighting angles easily for both spotlighting and ambient coverage. The LEDs are energy efficient and long-lasting, ensuring reduced electricity costs and less frequent replacements. Built with sturdy metal and finished in a stylish modern design, this kit enhances the decor of any room while delivering dependable performance. The easy installation process makes it a quick upgrade for homeowners seeking quick improvements in lighting design. Despite its smaller size, the kit delivers bright, effective illumination suitable for highlighting artwork, accent walls, or functional spaces like kitchen counters. It's also great for renters or those who want an affordable, efficient lighting solution without large-scale installation.